back to another video. We have one pup.
Did you know the cow is? You know the baby?
I am running. Hang on.
And you know how to get out of the purple when you're done, right? You can keep talking.
Baby, baby. No, just kidding.
What is that?
Bells ringing, dog is... No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet! Okay. I'm going. I'm going. Oh no. Oh no. No. You have to start at the ranch. Shut up. Okay. That's it. Hiya. Okay, I know. But let the doggy get a cage. Shut up, cows. The fuck baby cows. Okay, why do I keep on running against the big cows? Oh god, this is lame. Lame! Lame! Let's say it's lame. Here it is! Catch it! A baby cow! No! By the way, I already have all my food out. So I don't need any. Shut up, cows! Hiya! I always go back in and go back out. Hang on, let me see my puppy.
I see you.
Don't go there yet. Don't remind me that.
Go back.
No!
Come out here.
Remind me that. Also,
Okay. Open the
door. You probably things.
I got a hammer in my hand. I got you.
Come on, open the door.
Stop kicking the damn door.
Can you open the door?
You can open your own door.
No, I can't. No. I have the computer in my hand.
So what? Put it down. Put a hammer in that girl's ass.
Guy, go there again tonight. Look at my food. Look over there. Hang on. I can't do anything.
Ah! If you beat up here in the air, she's not getting the basket. I'm going to go get my shoes. No red now. I'll be back. Hey.
Baby cow! Look at this. Hiya! Yummy! Try not to get shot. This is a perfect way.
What?
Run! Hiya! Return back to Sus Creek. Look what happens now. Don't go there. Why another eagle? Look what happens now. My food for pups is up. So now, this is gonna be trickier than the way you are gonna do it. But don't worry. Let's see the cow ranch. I need to go back in. Fit it again. Once again, here we go. Daddy, stop. That's just my dad. Stop. Stop. Stop! You just made me do it. Dang it, now I can't make this stop. Hiya. Okay, guys, now you eat. You jump out of the cage before the dog gets you. Yes.
What are you
Now
doing,
I
recording?
have currently food. Don't go there. Why there, stupid eagle? Come here. Come here. Why are you? No.
How come you only have 1 kill left?
What?
How come you only have 1 kill left?
I don't know. Cause the
What'd you
other
say,
ones
Pooh?
died from you. You weren't even thinking about the den. You're too lazy. You were stuck in the rock. You were just walking. You were stuck. I was trying to get you out.
You was trying to get me out.
Yeah, I was carrying Sky while trying to get you out.
Wait, that's not Sky, that's Loki.
I know, that's you.
What is this?
That's her recording.
Yes.
You're recording.
Yeah, that's the screen that she's
Look
recording.
how much wood I have.
There is what she's recording.
I want the new request.
Yeah, well, stop recording.
Bye, guys.